Hello, I'm Nkem Imaro, CEO of Freshstart School of Interior and Exterior Decoration. Here we take interior and exterior decoration seriously as we give our students the best. Our certificate courses covers regular site visits, researches, showroom visits, theoretical and practical classes. Our courses covers interior design, exterior design, floral works, interior painting, interior selling and packaging. We teach our students how to make kitchen, how to install carpet grass, window blind, wallpaper, stucco paint, curtain, finishing, wall panel, floral and industrial cleaning. You can contact us on 08034480111 is our call line and also our WhatsApp line. Our email freshstartinteriordesigner@gmail.com.